Hi, it's Jane for the Honor 70 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open notification panel, and if you want to add here some options or remove some of them or just to change their positions, we should click here to this edit icon, and here we'll see that down section with invisible options. For example, just to add the scan QR codes icon, we should hold it and just drag it to this up section. As you can see, we have no here any space to do that, so just first we should remove some of the options from here. So for example, let's remove the device control. Just to do that, we should hold and drag the icon to the down section. And by the same way, we can add here new icons. Just hold and drag it to the up. So as you can see, that's so simple. If you want to change the positions of the icons here, you should just by the same way hold and drag the icons and then just tap to done to save the changes. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.